Electro-Temp Technologies China Incorporated is a professional water cooler dispenser manufacturer in Zhejiang, China. Our company is located in Ningbo, 220,500 square feet. 3. Advanced equipment automatic work line with over 2,500 unit per day capacity. Our company is a new high-tech enterprise, passed ISO 9001 certification. We engaged in designing and manufacturing advanced water coolers, dispenser, and other related products. We produce bottom-loading water cooler, top-loading water cooler, water purifier, coffee machine, ice maker, soda maker, and so on. All these water dispenser are widely used at home and office, past the CE, CB, CSA, SNI, SAA, and ROSE testing. After 19 years development, we built a professional engineer team, high-efficiency sales team. Our company have hundreds patents, have own brand Electro-Temp and Peaks Water, competitive price with superiority quality, attract customers from all over the world, especially clients from America, Canada, Indonesia, Middle East, Mexico, Spain, Russia, Thailand, and so on. R&D department with professional engineers provide the strong technical support, can offer OEM, ODM service to client to meet client special demand. Small sample order or tens of thousands of orders, both can be accepted. We are reliable supplier. All products will offer 1 year's warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation with you. Please contact us now. We'll be happy to provide more information.